Hi, I'm Elizabeth and welcome to my channel. This is my first video after I cut my hair. I actually cut it because I wanted to stop coloring my hair. And you can see the bleach remnants of my bleached hair there in the ends, those brown bits. This is my first time using the Tribe Concepts organic hair cleanser. It has soapberry, shikakai, fenugreek and hibiscus. It says here it's for smooth and thick hair. At the back of the packet, it says a natural shampoo that effectively cleans your hair and scalp, removing dirt, debris, and excess oil while keeping all of the essential nutrients intact. Makes your hair soft, manageable, voluminous, and healthy from roots to ends. Okay, then. I'm curious whether it does all of these things. Now, about the quantity, this is how much I took the first time. If you have longer hair than mine, then obviously you'll need some more. You can mix it with water or make it extra by mixing something else to activate the powder. On the packet it said you can add fermented rice water or buttermilk to activate the hair cleanser and get extra shine. I added hair tea. We'll talk about hair tea in another video, but this is how it is. You can make it thicker or thinner in consistency as you like. I prefer thinner consistency because the extra water will hydrate my dry hair. I'm applying this directly on dry hair, and only for the purpose of this video I'm using a spoon. I know it sounds and looks silly, but I just wanted to share. I focus on the scalp first and massage it in. Notice I'm going and doing this in little sections. So when I go section by section, I can ensure that there is even distribution of this liquidy cleanser in my hair. If I just pour it all in my hair, I'm really not sure if it'll get everywhere. So I'm just going in little sections all over my scalp first. And then I made a second batch and I applied it all over my hair in the bathroom. And it looked like this. The liquidy consistency actually helps me work it through my hair from scalp to the ends. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips in inward and outward motions for 2 to 4 minutes. Avoid using it as a hair mask, okay? Don't keep it in your hair for too long. After this, I rinsed it all out with plain water. It was a little bit messy in the bathroom, but look at my results. Wait for it, wait for it. Do you notice the shine? Like, I can't even believe this is just with the cleanser. There's no conditioner, there's no styling products, nothing. I'm so happy and I totally recommend this. Okay, here's a quick tip about drying your hair. Be gentle and scrunch your hair or squeeze your hair gently with a microfiber towel like this. That is how you can speed up your drying time by removing excess water like this. Be gentle, don't go scrubby like how we saw our moms doing it. Don't do it like that. But I'm seriously stoked. Totally recommend. Let me know if you try.